Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make whipped cream Ruby Ka Kitchen, easy method. Start with very cold equipment and cream, then whisk steadily to soft peaks, add powdered sugar and vanilla, and finish when peaks hold shape without graininess. So you get smooth, airy whipped cream perfect for topping desserts or folding into recipes, while avoiding overbeating and separating. Gather chilled tools and measured ingredients, then pour cream into the cold bowl and begin whisking at medium speed to build structure, increasing to high for final peaks while tasting for sweetness and adjusting vanilla, and remember that small adjustments in speed and time change texture. So practice once or twice to find your ideal fluffiness and avoid turning cream into butter. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while you whisk and bake, and its leak-proof design saves countertops from spills, making it a handy kitchen companion. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Whip in stages, starting slow to incorporate air gently, then speed up to reach soft or stiff peaks depending on use. And if you need longer hold for piping or warm conditions, gently fold in a stabilized ingredient to maintain shape. Always tasting and watching texture closely because timing matters more than force, and gentle hands yield the lightest, silkiest whipped cream every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.